Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you today this Bond Time Peel Off Color Fingernail Polish. Now I've used Bond Time for a very long time. Here is the Bond Time Gloss 01. It is a peel off base coat and a water-based top coat. And I've used it for a really long time, and in fact I think it's always linked below too. You can get two 15 ml bottles for 10 bucks on Amazon. It comes in this box. A real pretty girl. Oh, so pretty, no wrinkles. And it gives you directions. So you want to prepare your nail like you normally do. Make sure they're clean and dry and the cuticles are pushed back. Blah, diddy, blah, blah, blah. And then you want to apply as a base coat, the top coat, so it's the same thing. And it says, you know, make sure there's no dirt, oil, or moisture, and apply your base coat first. Wait 90 seconds for your nail polish to dry. Okay, I have issue with that, but we'll get to that. Apply the colored coat, wait 90 seconds before applying the second coat. You can repeat the process for the third coat if you want a dark coat. Apply the top coat, let it dry for 90 seconds. Okay, so I am going to show you on these fake nail swatches, just so that you can see the application and what they look like. Now, I did do my nails. This is the color that I put on my nails, and it's Black Cherry 02. I did only put one coat of color on, and it was opaque. It was beautiful. All right, so I'm going to show you, and then I'm going to show you a couple of things you can do with it. All right, first, it's a little goopy whenever you pull it out, but I mean, you just wipe it off on the side of the bottle like you normally would anyway. I just noticed that. And one coat. And this is the other thing I've been wanting to test out. You know, I don't like wasting these tips. They're kind of expensive, especially on the ones that fit on here. Now I can like glue other ones to the top, but I don't really want to. So I'm hoping that this works for a base for me to do nail art on and swatch things and then just be able to peel it off. Okay, so that's Black Cherry and one coat. Next up is Rich Purple. So I am applying this like I would, like that's my cuticle, because I want to be able to peel it and not have to, you know, maybe you have to fight it. All right, so I did put it on my nails. Today is Saturday. I had this on my nails. Here is Shine Black, but you can see what a beautiful blue it is. See, look at that one coat. All right, I am going to try foil and a holo powder. This one is Island Paradise. And now we get to my least favorite. I just don't like this color. Some people might. Pale Dogwood. And I'm not sure what the price is on this. I will put it pop up right now. Boom. And the link will be below if you want to check this stuff out, or if you want just to get the peel off base coat, top coat. The peel off base coat you absolutely can use with any polish, even gel. I have tried it with gel. It works fantastic under gel, under regular polish. And this polish, do you see how shiny? I tried to take pictures and the reflection was really bad. but no top coat. This stuff is super shiny. One coat. All right, here's what I'm gonna say I've got issue with. I painted these and I set this up and I took a couple pictures so I could have a thumbnail. So it's been at least, I'm gonna say 3-4 minutes. And it's still wet to the touch. So that's my only issue with this stuff right now, is it doesn't dry very fast. So 90 seconds is not long enough to wait to put a second coat or to put top coat on. All right, it's been about 10 minutes and it is dry now. Now what I want to try to do is stamp and put some holo powder on it and then use the top coat to show. Why isn't my camera jumping around? Use the top coat to show how it doesn't dull the holo or, you know, eat it. And also I want to try some of this Moira foil. I got it and I never used it yet. Let's see, I have Born Pretty X128 and it is black holo powder. And I have some Moira stamping, foil stamping. I tested this before with regular polish and this foil stamping polish, and I couldn't tell the difference with how fast it, you know, stamped or anything. But let's give it a try. And I have this Foil in Love plate that I have never used from Moira. So let's pick something here and see if we can get this to work. Let's just go with something, you know, kind of easy for it and me. And we'll go with the foil first. And let's see, that blue, let's try it over this light blue. It kind of worked. I'm just not, I don't think that I'm good at foil. Let's dab it around there and see if we can get it. I've seen better. So, I mean, you still have to be really fast, and I wasn't that fast. All right. Malt 2 strawberry. And geez, let's see if I can help that out any. Sorry if you like that color, I just don't. I don't know. We'll see. I got hair on it. Yeah, so the Moira stamping, or the Moira foil stamping polish works. Once again, any nail polish will work if you're quick, while it's just a little tacky to put holo powders on with. And let's rub that in a little bit. Well, that really improved that color, if you ask me. Take a brush and brush it off. And now we'll put the top coat on. I do have a little bit of a video of me peeling the polish off my fingers also, but I'm going to show you on these tips too. Alright. Didn't affect the holo or the foil. I would still rather stamp over foil just because I don't always get good results. That's why I never use foil. Okay, I'm lifting up a little piece and then seeing if we can peel it. These are terrible tweezers. I accidentally threw away in the trash package of tweezers that my husband rescued for me. Alright. And it peels really good. It's sticking, you know, pretty good. I mean, it's not like it just is popping off. And it peeled completely off. I think this is really good polish, especially for, you know, Waterbase and it peeling off, and it lasted, like I said, a couple days on me. Thanks, you guys. The links for this On Time polish will be below. Bye. Peels off clean, neat, lovely. Riley came and had some dinner, and then Petey saw Penny, came running over. Well, that's a pair now. What you doing, Betty? With the silly dog. Her's got a ball. What are you doing? What are you doing? You cutie. You little cutie. Abu.